Have you ever smelled something and been instantly transported to a memory? It's a phenomenon that many of us have experienced, often without even realizing it. A single whiff can bring back a flood of emotions and vivid recollections, almost as if we were reliving those moments all over again. Maybe it was the scent of freshly cut grass that reminded you of summer days spent playing outside, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the laughter of friends, and the carefree joy of childhood, all come rushing back with just one breath of that familiar fragrance. Or perhaps it was the aroma of cinnamon buns baking in the oven, bringing back memories of cozy mornings with your family. The sweet, spicy scent fills the air, and suddenly you're back in your grandmother's kitchen, surrounded by love and the promise of a delicious treat. The power of smell to evoke vivid memories is undeniable. It's as if our noses have a direct line to our hearts, capable of stirring emotions and bringing the past to life in an instant. But have you ever stopped to wonder why this happens? What is it about scents that makes them so deeply intertwined with our experiences and emotions? The answer lies in the intricate workings of our brain and the unique way it processes smells. Our sense of smell is more than just a way to detect odors. It's a powerful tool for memory and emotion. When we inhale a scent, it travels through the olfactory system and directly to the brain's limbic system, which is responsible for emotions and memory. This direct connection is what makes smells so potent in triggering memories. In this exploration of the science of smell, we'll delve into the fascinating connection between our sense of smell, memory, and emotion. We'll look at how different scents can evoke specific memories and feelings, and why some smells are more powerful than others in this regard. We'll uncover how the olfactory system works, explore the crucial role of the brain in processing scents, and discover the profound impact smell has on our daily lives. From the scents that bring us comfort to those that warn us of danger, our sense of smell plays a vital role in our well-being and survival. Get ready to embark on a captivating journey into the world of fragrance and its remarkable ability to unlock the hidden chambers of our minds. We'll explore the science behind this phenomenon, share personal stories, and reveal the secrets of how scents shape our lives in ways we might never have imagined. So take a deep breath and let's dive into the enchanting world of smell. Let's begin by understanding how our sense of smell operates. The sense of smell, or olfaction, is a complex and fascinating process that plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It not only helps us enjoy the aroma of our favorite foods, but also warns us of potential dangers like smoke from a fire or spoiled food. It all starts with a simple act: breathing. Every time we take a breath, we are not just inhaling air, we're also taking in a myriad of tiny particles that carry scents. When we inhale, tiny odor molecules from our surroundings enter our nostrils. These molecules are incredibly small, often just a few nanometers in size, and they come from a variety of sources such as flowers, food, and even other people. These molecules travel up the nasal cavity and reach a small patch of tissue called the olfactory epithelium, located high up in the nose. This specialized tissue is the gateway to our sense of smell. Within the olfactory epithelium reside millions of olfactory receptors, specialized nerve cells responsible for detecting scent molecules. These receptors are incredibly sensitive and can detect even the faintest traces of odor. Each receptor is sensitive to a specific range of odor molecules. This means that different receptors are tuned to detect different types of scents, allowing us to distinguish between a vast array of smells. When a scent molecule binds to its matching receptor, it triggers an electrical signal. This signal is the first step in the process of translating a scent into a perception. This signal is then transmitted to the olfactory bulb, a structure located at the base of the brain. The olfactory bulb is a critical hub in the olfactory system, acting as a relay station for scent information. The olfactory bulb acts as a relay station, receiving signals from the olfactory receptors and sending them to other parts of the brain for further processing. This intricate network of neural pathways allows us to recognize and respond to different smells, making our sense of smell an essential part of our sensory experience. Interestingly, the olfactory system is unique among our senses in its direct connection to the brain regions responsible for memory and emotion. This fascinating pathway allows scents to evoke feelings and memories more vividly than any other sensory experience. When we inhale a fragrance, the scent molecules travel through our nasal passages and bind to receptors in the olfactory epithelium. These receptors then send signals directly to the brain, bypassing the usual sensory relay station. Unlike our other senses, which first pass through a brain region called the thalamus, smell bypasses this relay station and travels directly to the amygdala and hippocampus. This unique route allows olfactory information to reach the brain's emotional and memory centers almost instantaneously. The thalamus typically acts as a gatekeeper, filtering and relaying sensory information to the appropriate areas of the brain. However, the olfactory system's direct pathway means that sense can trigger emotional and memory responses without this intermediary step. The amygdala plays a crucial role in processing emotions, particularly fear and pleasure. This almond-shaped cluster of nuclei is deeply embedded within the temporal lobes of the brain. It is responsible for detecting and responding to emotional stimuli, and it helps us react to potential threats or rewards in our environment. When a scent reaches the amygdala, it can instantly evoke feelings of joy, fear, or even nostalgia, depending on the context and our past experiences with that particular smell. This direct connection between smell and the amygdala explains why scents can trigger such immediate and powerful emotional responses. For example, the smell of freshly baked cookies might bring back warm memories of childhood, while the scent of a particular perfume could remind us of a loved one. These emotional reactions are often so strong that they can influence our mood and behavior, sometimes without us even realizing it. The hippocampus, on the other hand, is essential for long-term memory formation. This seahorse-shaped structure is located within the medial temporal lobe and plays a critical role in consolidating new information and storing it as long-term memories. When we encounter a familiar scent, the hippocampus helps us retrieve associated memories, allowing us to relive past experiences with remarkable clarity. Its involvement in olfactory processing helps us understand why smells are so effective at evoking vivid memories, often from our distant past. The scent of a particular flower might transport us back to a childhood garden, or the aroma of a specific dish could remind us of family gatherings. These memories are often accompanied by strong emotions, making the experience even more powerful and immersive. This intricate interplay between the olfactory system, amygdala, and hippocampus forms the foundation for the remarkable link between smell, memory, and emotion. By understanding this connection, we can appreciate the profound impact that scents have on our lives, shaping our memories, emotions, and even our sense of identity. The next time you catch a whiff of a familiar fragrance, take a moment to reflect on the powerful journey it takes through your brain, unlocking a treasure trove of memories and emotions along the way. I still remember the aroma of my grandmother's freshly baked cookies. The moment I stepped into her house, the warm, sweet scent of vanilla, cinnamon, and sugar would envelop me, instantly transporting me back to my childhood. Those cookies weren't just a treat, they were a symbol of love, warmth, and happy times. Even today, years later, the mere whiff of those familiar spices brings back a flood of cherished memories. This experience is not unique to me. Many of us have scent-related memories that are deeply personal and evocative, whether it's the smell of your childhood home, a favorite perfume, or the salty air of the ocean. Certain scents have the power to unlock memories and emotions that we may have long forgotten.